So like I mentioned, right, there's an increasing need from consumers, from businesses, from fintechs to actually process this kind of payments, real-time cross-border payments. And what we are doing about this, and it stems from our vision basically, and which is to make it easy and seamless to move money, like just like sending a text message. So we started our journey by developing a crypto payments gateway, enabling businesses to receive payments through crypto. But then we realized that this problem was bigger than just being able to make payments with crypto, right? That an infrastructure was actually needed to sustain this new wave of fintech that gives people access to make these cross-border payments. And today, what we offer with our products are payouts APIs and a dashboard that allows businesses and fintechs make payouts to over 100 countries, APIs for doing conversions in crypto and in fiat, for wholesale values and also in retail amounts, and then bulk currency trading services, as well as bank accounts, named bank accounts for businesses and individuals in euros and in GBP, right? And then the first of its kind crypto fiat liquidity API. So this API allows businesses, fintechs, and financial institutions to build all sorts of financial products that takes advantage of crypto and fiat without bothering about liquidity. So these are the currencies we support, right? So across our payments products, payouts, FX conversion, and the likes, we support transactions across Naira, USD, Kenyan shillings, Bitcoin, USDT, and others. And since we launched, we've processed tens of millions of dollars for different businesses across the fintech industry, banking, global businesses, and the likes. And we've been growing our volumes 40% month on month. So these are, of course, some of our partners. So you see some leading names here, like Crown Flour Mills, Prudent Energy, Eversend, and of course, we're partners with several different banks across Africa and payment processors as well across Africa, Europe, and the US. So why Fliqpay exactly? So first of all, we believe that we are currently the cheapest way to move money in and out of Africa. We provide the fastest settlements for payouts in local currencies and in digital currencies as well. And I would say we are really, really liquid through our APIs for converting different currencies. We've been able to secure lots of partnerships that allows us to do this. And then of course, the API infrastructure that we've built is capable of supporting transactions, in very, very high scale. So I mean, this just highlights what we're saying. And we are seeing a future where every business can literally turn into a fintech using our APIs, to carry out transactions. So of course, get in touch with us. We really believe that in this new world, right, moving money and value should be as easy as sending a text message. So you can reach out to us, check our website, fliqpay.com, send us an email, business@fliqpay.com, or personally, wole@fliqpay.com. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Wole. Thank you very much for this very, very short explanation of all the great work that you're doing. It's now a pleasure to hand over to Esigie Aguele, who is also from Nigeria. Esigie is the co-founder and the CEO of VerifyMe. So we're really looking forward to hearing from Esigie about how to bridge the verification gap in the work of KYC that you're doing. We're also interested to hear about COVID, where identification must become more to the fore than ever in the past. So Esigie, over to you.
Thank you. Hello, how are you? I'm happy to be here. My name is Esigie Aguele. I am CEO for VerifyMe Nigeria. I'll talk to you about a little bit about who we are and what we do. In 2011, our founder, Tunji Oluwole, hired a cook who poisoned him and his family and robbed their home. Several weeks later, Tunji found out that that same cook had gained employment in the same estate where he lived with another family, but with a completely different identity, and had altered his employment history. He had already begun poisoning that family when he was caught. As such, VerifyMe was established to prevent workplace-related crimes and mitigate human capital risk. As we began to evolve as a company, we realized that the problem of trust was not just one in the domestic space, but really there was a credibility or a trust gap across all industries. The problem really was that over 500 million Africans lack an officially recognized form of identification. This prevents access to social and financial services to better their lives. And Africa's economic growth is limited because without IDs, it is difficult to establish trusted business relationships. In looking at the market, we realized, and in Nigeria, for example, where we're specialized and we're really one of the pioneering companies, is that there are 120 million Nigerians today that can be in the fintech market. Only 40% of them are banked, and 60% of them are unbanked, about 80 million people. So imagine that number of people being excluded from financial services. With further insight, we know that of these 20 million, worker registration services, about 15% of this population will be available for worker registration services as they get hired. About 50% of this population will be available for verification reporting services. And about 35% of this population are going to go through enrollment services and digitization, all of which are highly revenue generating. The solution is a tech-based trust infrastructure that enables decision makers to cut down the cost and time required to onboard customers for financial services, protect customers and loved ones from fraudulent staff, and facilitate access to social protection and intervention services for citizens in Nigeria and across Africa. Sorry about that. Our company, VerifyMe, today offers digital identity services, verification as a service, KYC as a service to a wide range of industries across the Nigerian market, and also to the retail market. We do this in order to close the credibility gap across these industries by helping them deliver trust and helping them facilitate the onboarding of customers. We provide this via APIs, and we have direct access to the Nigerian Identity Management Commission, driver's license, which is FRSE. We can verify passports and also bank verification numbers. We're one of only 2 organizations in Nigeria that have direct access to all 4 data sets, which allows us to provide services at the most economically competitive prices. To this end, all the elements of our services include ID verification, biometric authentication. So we actually enable a lot of our customers to provide contactless account opening services, address verification and addressing, which is a key requirement for CBN in order to open an account. We do this by deploying a network of 8,000 agents, which we have across the country in all 774 local governments. We do account verification services because as a result of our API access, asset verification, and also business verification services. All of this data provided through a combination of real-time data over API and last mile verification services, but still conducted over API to enable our customers have some form of seamless workflow when they're acquiring their customers. Today, our executive team, which has remained the same for the past few years, is me as the CEO, Tunji, who is also chairman of the board, but works actively with the team, with the executive team, and Brandon Wang, who is our CIO and heads all of our engineering. What we've achieved this year, and I tell the team daily, is despite the challenges of COVID, has been quite revealing about how strong our business is. In January, we had 1 bank using our service. Today, we have 30% of commercial banks in Nigeria using our service. We have 80 lenders and micro lenders using our APIs for micro lending or some form of lending services. 5 out of the top 10 insurance companies in Nigeria use our APIs. 20,000, this year we have acquired 20,000 retail customers and have digitized over 200,000 identities to eKYC for now real-time reporting, because we've digitized these identities, their employment, their data, their address. So just this year alone, 200,000 with an additional over 1 million from previous years, literally available to get on-demand services at point of service for any of our customers. And today we have Nigeria's largest network of agents with over 8,000 agents working in 774 local governments, except where there's an insurgency in the country. Where we're trying to go, and within the next year, We're looking to expand out of Africa. Actually, in the first quarter of 2021, we'll be going to 2 countries, which we will announce. We're looking to actually control a large percentage, about 50% of the revenue market share in Nigeria for ID verification, as we're really one of the pioneers, and conduct probably the highest number of address verifications for banks for any single one country in the country today. We're looking to conduct 2 million ID verifications by the end of 2021. Run identity management services programs, which we have a few of in the criminal data space with federal and state governments, and launch those programs to allow us access to criminal data reporting. And we're looking to hold complete and accurate information for over 20 million workers in Nigeria through API access within the next year to 18 months. And finally, we're looking to become Africa's next $1 billion tech unicorn. And we really believe that this is achievable with our business. Thank you very much. You can reach out to us at verifyme.ng, and just there's a page on there to contact our business development. There's an investment relations page on our website as well, and a media kit to see where we've been. And I look forward to hearing from both customers and future investors as they come along. Thank you very much for your time.
Wonderful. Thank you, Esigie. I think it's been great to have the two of you this afternoon as real game changers coming from Nigeria, and showing us the great innovation out there. So thank you, both of you, for your assistance this afternoon, sharing your stories, and best of luck to both of you.
Thank you very much.
Bye now.
Bye.
Thanks, Wole. Wole, let's talk.
All right, man.
All right, take care.
Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye now.
All right, bye-bye.